Hello and welcome to Beau Hannam Guitars and Ukuleles. This is a sound sample and a show and tell of number 77. The label reads 2018, but it's 2022 now, so I put the label on 4 years ago and then I've just got round to building it. It's a really... I remember buying this set of wood. The back and sides are spalted tamarind, and I remember seeing it on the RC Tonewood's website, and I thought that is going to look incredible under finish with ebony binding, and so I eventually did it. And I put a Bearclaw Spruce top on, and it has a arm bevel, a simple rectangle end graft, a string through bridge, which is my standard. It's basically anything black is ebony. That saves time. The rosette is a mosaic of the back and side wood. It's got a side sound port. The neck is a neck wood that I've never used before, and that is Alaskan yellow cedar. It's a really nice, strong, beautiful wood, and it finishes incredibly. And you won't be able to see it, but the light kind of glistens off it really nicely. So I'll be using that wood again. The neck is unique in that it's a two-tone burst. Kind of burst, I'm not sure what to call it, but it's what I did was I mixed a bit of black and a bit of blue and sprayed it as I would a burst, but very lightly, just enough to give the neck the same blacky blue color of the back and sides. And the heel, I only sprayed color on one side of it, so I just shot the color from this side, and I've never done that before, and yeah, I think it looks really good. Just something that you could probably own this for 10 years and never notice that, but now I've given the secret away. The back of the headstock is maple from actually a cello maker friend of mine, Chris Dungy, and it's always got Waverley tuners. Nickel Waverley tuners with ebony buttons. The headstock has got my signature fading purfling and an Art Deco H. It's got a back strip in ebony, which the purfling is all mited into each other. The nut and saddle are bone. The saddle, you won't be able to see it from there, but it's slanted back about 7 degrees. I'm so glad that I finally finished this, because it was on my shelf looking at me for years, and now I finished it. It just looks as good as I always knew it would. So here's a sound sample of number 77, tenor ukulele.